Alrighty, this is how to make microwavable popcorn on the stove. We have to do this because the microwave just broke and I want popcorn. This is what I already made and this is what I'm about to make. But I gotta put the camera down for 1 second. Alright, this looks really nasty, but what you do is you just put it in there, try to get everything out. Yeah, that's what's inside. Pretty nasty. Pretty much got everything out of there. Okay. And, yeah, isn't it nasty? Whatever that is. I think it's butter. I think it's butter. Alright, break the... Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. Break... Let me turn the light on. Oh, yeah. That's much better. Break that. Whatever this is up. Alright. And... turn it on. Alright. I already burnt myself. But... okay. Let's break all this nice stuff up right here. Break it up. Oh, yeah.
Why don't you use this popcorn?
I want to use this kind. I don't... What?
What's the real popcorn?
What is this?
It's popcorn.
Popping? No, I like this kind better. But yeah. What you do is... just wait for it. You could swoosh it around and make you feel like a chef. That's what I do sometimes. Like that. And just start popping in a second. I don't have a cover for this. A plate will do. Let's see if this will fit. Oh yeah, that'll fit one. Ouch! Ouch! Just burn my hand. Let it stop laughing at me. Let it keep going. You know, it's 4:40 in the morning. You know, I wanted some popcorn, so getting it going. I already made this and delicious, just delicious. Okay, I'll let it go. Just start popping soon. Oh, I can hear it getting ready. You know, like a chef would do, like that. Like a chef. Oh, there, yeah, there it goes. I'm gonna put the... Oh, jeez. I'm scared. Oh, jeez, it's coming, it's popping out. Okay, put that on. Alright. Yep. Put the plate on. You hear that? It's going. Let's see what happens if I lift this up. Ouch. Oh yeah. You know, you just let it go for however long till you hear it stop popping. Oh yeah. It's going good. It's very hot. Do I? Oh, I don't have any. Oh shit! Ow! Fuck! Ow. That hurt. It was very hot. It was a very hot kernel flew out of my contraption I have going here. I'm gonna lift up with this. See if you can see under there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's pop. Oh jeez. Yeah, we should keep that closed. Alright. Let me turn the camera off, see what's going on under there. Alright, after you burn yourself about 6 times, this is how it should look. And you know, you just... This is my little scooper. I like it. I call him George. I like to scoop it in. Bloop, bloop, bloop. You know. Put it right in there. Oh, it's perfect. Look at it. It's not burnt. It's a nice little... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let me tell you. Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Oh, yeah. And that's how to make popcorn without a microwave. Because earlier, our microwave started on fire. I don't know how, but it did. See you later.